Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to keep raccoons away from bird feeders. This video will provide various tips to help you keep the pesky animals from feasting on food and bird feeders, so make sure you stick around for that. Wrap metal around the pole. Raccoons may be excellent tree climbers, but are poor climbers on smooth and slippery metal. If the bird feeder is on a wooden pole, wrap it in a metal stovepipe, aluminum, or sheet metal. Install a baffle on the pole. Raccoons are good climbers and can access food in the bird feeder by climbing the pole. The baffle is an appliance used to prevent animals from climbing. Keep a distance from trees. Ensure the bird feeder is raccoon-proof at ground level. It is also necessary to keep it away from any tall construction or tree that raccoons may climb from. Use spicy food. Raccoons are affected by a compound called capsaicin from spices such as hot pepper that causes pain, discomfort, or burning in their nerve endings. However, birds can consume capsaicin without side effects or adverse health issues. Capitalize on this opportunity by adding a spicy ingredient to the food to repel raccoons. Raccoons have a powerful sense of smell, and the spice will prevent them from eating the food. Store your bird feeder securely. Galvanized metal containers with tight lids are suitable storage instruments for bird feeders. They prevent raccoons from chewing plastic and keep the food safe for the birds. Use weight-sensitive options. Several bird feeders are spring-loaded, so if a raccoon tries to climb on them, its weight seals the feeder holes. Alternatively, you can use caged bird feeders that prevent raccoons from getting in. Install motion-sensitive options. Raccoons are nocturnal creatures, and motion-sensitive lighting can help prevent their nighttime visits. Additionally, you may install motion-sensitive sprinklers that keep the raccoons at bay. Clean up the food. As food sources attract raccoons, clean up food that birds may spill on the ground. You can use a tray for any spillage and empty it frequently. Do not overfill the bird feeder to prevent unnecessary spilling. So there you have it. Raccoons are cumbersome animals that may intrude on your bird feeder. Nonetheless, these naughty creatures may not be a pain anymore thanks to the useful tips that may keep them away from the bird food. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.